Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs. For the core sample missions, you're going to have 3 different locations that you can collect core samples from. At each of the 3 locations that will be indicated on the map, there are going to be 3 core samples in each. Now, you can collect up to 2 samples max from any of these locations, and if you are in possession of a core sample, so if you're able to extract it from the soil and be in possession of that, you're going to get 5 points per. So that's 10 points maximum if you're able to get 2 of these core samples. Now an additional 5 points per will be awarded if you can bring these samples back to the designated location as indicated on the map. So an additional 10 points there. And finally, you'll be awarded an additional 5 points if you're able to collect and retrieve both of the samples, so for a total of 25 points in total. For more information on our other missions, be sure to check out our other videos.